What's up mga guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Marnado Vlog. And for today's video, we're here at Luli Island. So guys, join us. Before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and click the bell button so that updated tayo sa mga videos natin. So guys, next stop namin is the Luli Island or the Lulubog Lilitaw Island. And guys, we're now approaching the Luli Island or the Lulubog Lilitaw Island.
Hindi nawawala yung sandbar?
Nawawala. Kaya nga luli.
Huwag muna.
Huwag muna sir, kaya may underground tayo bukas.
Wow! Boracay!
Ito ba tayo nagtalon-talon dito?
So welcome to Luli Island guys. And this is the Luli guys. And this is the swing hammock. So welcome to Luli Island guys. So guys, ito yung mga props dito.
Okay.
Wow!
Ayan, may director kami guys. So ito yung new
Ikaw din na nakaluhod yan, make your own post
Red
yan.
Horse at saka yung shell. Ayan.
Okay po. Bilisan mo at hindi na humihinga yung mga yan nakatayo. Oh.
Yan ang mga director na.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you.
So ayan na guys, it medyo naulan, bilisan namin guys.
The breakfast. Partner, we call it sal. Fish, sal. Pandesal.
So back to the boat na kami guys.
O mas mas fine sa
Ayan guys, at
walang
palis na kami.
wala masyadong bato-bato.
Kasi green yung water.
Ano kasi yun, ma'am, reflection po ngayon ng ng
Corals.
ng sky.
And that's our shoot visit here at Luli Island, Lulubog, Lilitaw. Huwag natin kalimutan guys mag-subscribe and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa mga videos natin. Junito Marinado Vlog.